Hello everyone, in today's video I will be showing you how to change the language on your Netflix account. So first, what we're going to want to do is go to the very top right. Go ahead, click that, it's going to scroll down, go to Manage Profiles. Then select the account that you want to change the language on. And now you'll see right below your profile name, you'll see language. So then go ahead, choose the language. So then we're going to choose Deutsch, German. And then you go down. As you can see, everything's in German now. So I'm going to go, see how it's in German now? So whatever language you choose, everything will change right here. Everything's in German now. Yeah, so that's it, guys. You could do this with any language, obviously. Go ahead and try it at home. I hope that helps. Give it a like. Appreciate it. Bye.